Good morning. Hi guys, welcome to Blunt with K. I want to start this vlog by thanking all you lovely amazing people. The kind of support and comments you guys leave on my videos, on my vlogs is so heartwarming. मतलब मज़ा आ जाता है पढ़ के. इतने different type of comments आते हैं. Some people are so genuinely connected with what I'm doing right now, and they notice the little details, and it's just amazing. It's just, and today is a special day. I was not in a good mood this few minutes. Yeah, I was not in a good mood. Although I went for my badminton, played good 1.5 hours. मैंने लॉक इन कर लिया है. I am planning to lose 3 kgs in March, so I am doing all things in that direction. I am currently 69 kgs. I am planning to reach 66 kgs in March. So मैं calorie deficit कर रही हूँ, and I'm doing some things. बप आ गया था. I'm doing some things which are making me really happy. But just this morning, I was not, after coming back from my game for a few minutes, I was just not in a great mood, and मैंने vlog शुरू कर लिया because आज का दिन है, मैं vlog कर सकती हूँ. उसके बाद couple of days I have back-to-back sessions plus my courses going on for my PCC. I have like 2 courses left, जिसमें से एक course अभी चल रहा है, जिसकी मेरी फ्राइडे को मीटिंग है, जिसके लिए मुझे प्रिपेयर करना है. And so I have back-to-back days from tomorrow, so I thought today I will vlog with you all. And why today is special is because I have it's making me so emotional. I have touched 600k on Instagram. Let's take a moment. Let's just 2022 I think March April मैंने एक दिन अपने YouTube चैनल्स बंद कर दिए थे. मैंने लिटरली अपने काम को आग लगा दी थी, quite literally. And the only thing I kept from that moment onwards was my vulnerability, my authenticity, and my voice. From 2022 till now, I have lost so many relationships. Although सबको सिर्फ end of my marriage दिखती है, but this ज़बान जिससे मैं अपने Instagram पे reels बनाती हूँ, I have lost people because they get offended by the content I make. I have had so many people gossip and bitch about me. That's one little 10% side of the story, but I've had so many of you connect with me. 600k of you connect with me. My cats are going wild. I want to do 1 million. I have dreams, guys. I am beyond what happened to me. I am beyond my pain. I am beyond the people who abused me. I am beyond my childhood trauma. I am beyond my dysfunctional family. I am just now fully in my skin, happy to be alive and happy to be my child's mother. I'm a philosophical person. So Instagram पे मैं lifestyle related, philosophy related, अपने mindset related, अपने life coaching related content डालती हूँ. And you guys have been so supportive. The kind of comments and DMs I get is wild, and I've reached 600k. 1-2 दिन हो गए हैं, but I did not get the chance to celebrate because I was just, a lot was happening. So आज मैंने केक बनने के लिए दिया हुआ है. I wanna go get myself some flowers buy some flowers that make me happy, come back, shoot a reel which is specifically for that 600k. I want to go take a shower, put some Bad Bunny on the speaker. If you haven't listened to Bad Bunny, go listen to him right now. I think if ever I want to date somebody, I want that person to be cool like Bad Bunny. Right now Bad Bunny is my crush. I dream about him all the time. Yeah, so अब मैं आज आप लोगों के साथ थोड़ा टाइम स्पेंड करूँगी, थोड़ी बातें करूँगी और आप लोगों के साथ अपने 600k की खुशी सेलिब्रेट करूँगी. I don't want to do it with anybody else but you and my child. So I'm going to do that. I'm making myself a smoothie with my Greek yogurt, which has good amount of protein. Yes, so this is the Epigamia's Greek yogurt that I use. भाई मेरी स्किन क्या बेटर हो गई है. एक दो व्लॉग में पहले मेरे स्किन पे मस्त पिंपल वगैरह आ रखे थे बिकॉज मैं अनहेल्दी खा रही थी, बट I'm back. Okay, Epigamia Greek yogurt, and gonna share with you guys how I make my protein smoothie. If you have this smoothie, you will not have cravings, you will eat better, you will not feel hungry that soon. अगर आप वर्कआउट नहीं करते हो तो भी आपको ये स्मूदी पीनी चाहिए. Somebody said I should get a little hand tripod, put my camera on tripod, and guys, I have tripod, you know, I have that hand tripod as well. बस अगर मैं यूज कर लूँ तो कितना भयंकर अच्छा हो जाए ना. So आज हम उसको यूज करते हैं. Let us use my tripod out. The only time I've come to take my tripod, I can't find my tripod. Where is my tripod? Where are you? Here. Got it. Got my man Froto. Just have to put it in. आज मैं इस पे लगा के ही व्लॉग करूँगी. Like a फिर से बोप आ गया. Like a good girl. Okay. I'm gonna make my smoothie. Chill for a bit. I'm gonna make my smoothie with you guys. And आज मैं अपनी सैलेड भी बनाने वाली हूँ जो मैंने उस दिन बनाई थी और आप लोगों के साथ, मतलब उसकी प्रॉपरली रेसिपी नहीं दिखाई थी जो कि मैं आज दिखा सकती हूँ. So we'll be gonna doing that hopefully, unless I change my food menu. And after smoothie I have to take a really nice warm soul kissing bath, and after bath I'm gonna go get the cake. I just have to wait, let me get some strawberries for my excuse me. You better be staying outside. Daddy तूफान होता जा रहा है. It's literally his testosterone are kicking our asses. Guys, I'm not gonna lie. एक किचन को पालना आसान काम नहीं है. Okay. First thing first, I'm gonna add my 200 grams of Greek yogurt. So go yogurt. This is good. Remember I got new protein. I have managed to waste 4,000 rupees of my life. First with the basics, women marshmallow flavor, did not like this flavor. एक दो बारी के बाद मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा sweet and candish, and then it started like literally making me feel like I'm gonna puke. And then I ordered, बहुत ही मस्ती में, without literally considering कि मैं stupidity कर रही हूँ, I ordered cold coffee flavor, the whole truth के products मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है, so I thought मैं तो रोज़ कॉफ़ी पीती हूँ, let me order cold coffee protein powder. It tastes like coffee gone bad. It literally tastes like that, and I ordered such a big pack, and then it made me sick to my stomach. मुझे गैस हो गई, मुझे bloating हो गई, मुझे I'm gonna trash this out. Then I ordered my trusted, जो मैं पहले पी रही थी, जो मुझे स्विच ही नहीं करना चाहिए था, जो मुझे सूट भी कर रहा था, ऑप्टिमम, जो मेरा दिमाग खराब हो गया था जो मैंने ये सब किया और अपने पैसे वेस्ट किए. Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard 100% whey for muscle support and recovery, double rich chocolate flavor. This is the best protein I have had. It is so yummy. आप इसके साथ अपने कुछ स्ट्रॉबेरी या ब्लूबेरी डाल लो and you are sorted. So I'm gonna put 1 scoop of my protein. Not gonna fuck it up. I don't want to try any more protein. You know why did I actually thought that in my reels I'll put new protein and then कोई protein वाले मेरे साथ काम करेंगे. Literally that's what I was thinking. Not gonna do that to myself anymore. अपने ही पैसे वेस्ट कराए. ठीक है, स्ट्रैटेजी खराब होती हैं, गलत होती हैं, आप अपनी गलतियां कर करके ही सीखते हो. All of that is there, but it just made me sick. The other one, it really felt like I'm having kharab cold coffee, and not just the taste wise it made me sick, yes. Then it made me bloated, गैस हो गई, मुझे स्टमक पेन हो गया, इतनी मुझे रैंटेक खानी पड़ी, ऊपर से मेरे सेशंस चल रहे थे, मेरी लग गई थी गाइस. इसके अंदर मैं डालूंगी 4-5 पीस स्ट्रॉबेरी. लेट मी वॉश देम अप. Let me just like quickly give them a little drinking water wash. आजकल मैं लाइफ में काम के अलावा बैड बनी को इमेजिन करती हूँ. लाइक क्वाइट लिटरली. एंड उसके गाने भी सुनती हूँ, उसके गानों पे मैं वॉक करती हूँ, उसके गानों पे मैं नहाती हूँ, उसके गानों पे मैं चिल करती हूँ. इट्स बैड बनी ऑल द टाइम. Okay, now that I've added some strawberry, I'm also gonna add collagen, because healthy skin, healthy hair हमको चाहिए ही चाहिए. And 30 above guys, you need collagen because your body stops producing or reduces producing collagen, something of that sort. I'm using Healthy Hay unflavored collagen, so you can literally put this if you're making a dal, smoothie, anything, coffee. I've made it with my cold coffee, and just gonna give this a little something. सबका अपना प्रेफरेंस है. कल मैंने अपनी स्मूदी में थोड़ा पानी डाल दिया था, हेटेड इट. बहुत पतली हो गई थी, 1 ग्लास के बजाय 2 ग्लास बन गई बिकॉज पानी डाल दिया था. Did not like it. Dadu, why are you sitting here? किचन से क्या प्यार है तुमको मेरे गोलू? मेरे गोलू, मेरे गाला. जब देखो यार का किचन के बाहर अपना डेरा लगा के बैठ जाता है. ओके, ta-da! My smoothie is smoothing. It's already. Okay. Me like it. I like what this is looking. The perfect amount of thick and the perfect amount of strawberry. Okay. Hi guys. I'm going to tag the products that I'm using. खरीदो, 2-4 रुपए कमीशन मुझे भी मिल जाते हैं, which is a great motivation to stay here on YouTube. So please do that. Subscribe to me. मैं ये पीने लगी हूँ, फिर उसके बाद मैं नहाने लगी हूँ. तो मस्त ग्लैम अप करते हैं आज, और फिर मिलती हूँ मैं आप लोगों से. Say hi to daddy. Daddy! He started responding to his name. He's planning to jump on me, I think. Daddy! यार कुछ तो सोच रहा है ये तूफानी. मेरी स्मूदी के पास आएगा ये लड़का. Hi! Okay then. Daddy say hi! तैयार तो मैं हो गई हूँ guys. I got my cake. It's in the fridge. It looks beautiful. आज मैं बहुत थकी हुई हूँ. Reasons: 3 days intense badminton, which is amazing, plus over 10,000 steps. माशाल्लाह, मतलब 3rd day आज हो जाएगा माशाल्लाह. एंड कल मैं रात को लेट सोई, मेरी क्लास हो रही थी, सो नींद थोड़ी सी कम हुई है, विच इज़ रियली इम्पैक्टिंग मी राइट नाउ. प्लस सुबह से मेरा मूड ठीक नहीं है, प्लस पीरियड्स आने वाले हैं, सो ऑल ऑफ दैट इज जस्ट लाइक समवेयर देयर. सो दैट्स दैट. I'm drinking water, then I'm gonna have my lunch because I'm really hungry. It's gonna be 1 o'clock. This is my typical time to have lunch. And then I might change for my reel. I want to wear this really cute, I don't know if I have it, a cute pink top because my cake is pink. I'm going to show you in a bit. I did not get flowers because I just realized कि इवान की फ्राइडे से छुट्टियां हैं. कल मेरी डेंटल अपॉइंटमेंट है, सैटरडे को इवान की डेंटल अपॉइंटमेंट है, फिर उसके बाद ही एंड आई बोथ वी वांट टू गो फॉर पेडिक्योर. फिर आज उसको मुझे होली के लिए पिचकारी लेके देनी है, प्लस उसकी 10 दिन की छुट्टियां आ रही हैं, उसके स्कूल की स्प्रिंग ब्रेक है, एंड 10 days हॉल, प्लस आई हैव टू बाय हिम लेगो. सो मतलब लिटरली आई हैव सो मच एक्सपेंस ऑन मी that I just can't afford to buy, like splurge on flowers, because flowers is splurging, right? And yeah, I could have gone for 1 rose, I could have gone for 1 sunflower or something, but I'm just at the moment I'm not in that era of my life where hi Dadu, hi, that's my glass of water, you go drink your glass of water, cute, go. Yeah, I'm currently not in that era of my life where I can do with 1 flower. I want a full bouquet, and I don't have money to splurge at the moment because I have splurging spaces which are already booked with Ivan's Lego, our pedicure, फिर हमारे डेंटल ड्यूज हैं, एंड डेंटल तो हमारे दोनों के चल रहे हैं. सो I have a lot on my plate when it comes to finances. Plus जब छुट्टियाँ होती हैं तो हम कुछ ना कुछ बाहर खाने जाते हैं, फिर वहाँ पैसे खर्च होते हैं. So I have a lot. Plus मेरे पेमेंट गेटवे फकअप हो गया था. So since what 2 months now, February end होने वाला है, I have not done any workshop, which means that the workshop money is not coming in. And it's kind of like bothering me somewhere. I need to do workshops. Workshops is a great space not to just work with clients, but to be honest, it gives me money, a lot of money, and I like money, I love money. बट अभी वो हो नहीं रहे हैं. पेमेंट गेटवे का कुछ पता नहीं चला है अभी तक. या जस्ट राइटिंग टू माई वेब डेवलपर कि क्या होगा. कैन यू चेक. कीपिंग माई सेल्फ काम, not enjoying this. Yeah, financially not being stressed is one of the. Daddy, go drink your own water, please. Go drink your own water. Financially not being stressed is one of the ideal months. Whenever I have it, it's just awesome. At the moment, I kind of don't have it. Okay. Let's have food. Let's have one more glass of water and then we have food. I'm dehydrated as well क्योंकि सुबह से उठ के मैंने सब कुछ किया है बट पानी नहीं पिया है आज मैंने बिल्कुल भी ना. मैंने बिफोर वर्कआउट पानी पी. एक्चुअली बिफोर वर्कआउट मैंने पानी पीना छोड़ दिया है बिकॉज फिर मेरे को मिड वर्कआउट कभी कभार सूसू आ जाती है. एंड ऑब्वियसली मैं गेम छोड़ के जाती नहीं हूँ, इतनी तेज़ नहीं आती है. बट या इट्स काइंड ऑफ लाइक कंफ्यूजिंग स्पेस टू बी इन. डैडी इज गोइंग टू डू एवरीथिंग बट नॉट गो इन हिज रूम to have water. एक बारी मैंने इस बिल्ले को अपने ग्लास में से पानी पिला दिया था. उस दिन के बाद से इस बिल्ले को मेरे ग्लास में से पानी पीना होता है. बिगड़ा हुआ बिल्ला. You see? चलो मैं तुम्हारे डब्बे में पानी डाल के आती हूँ. चलो. Be right back. That's my lunch. घिया, कढ़ाई पनीर, राइस. 1 कप पनीर, 1 कप घिया, हाफ से थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा कप राइस. I'm having my lunch. That's going to hopefully kick in some energy in my body. And फिर मिलती हूँ थोड़ी देर में. Just wanted to show you guys, this is such a simple yet such a delicious meal. I don't know, I've started having ghee quite regularly and I'm loving it. Like ghee rice और protein दे दो and it's good. मेरे पास technically वो भी था beans and I just thought कि अभी मेरा beans खाने का मन नहीं है, but maybe in the evening I'll have that. I'm hungry. See you later. Hello. I changed my top and you won't believe it guys. मैं अपने medium size top में fit आ रही हूँ. ये top मुझे tight होता था. I just took it out. With tag. 3 साल पहले मैंने Zara से ये top खरीदा है. And this is how I look in it today. Ta-da! Na na na. Love it. The jeans is from Uniqlo. Top is from Zara. It's an old one. I love how stylish this is. थोड़ी सी sleeve इसकी इधर side से निकल गई है. And that's my underarm hair. लोगों को छुपाने पसंद है. And unlike me who has now grown up to love them. हाँ, मैं वैक्सिंग कराती हूँ बट अपने अंडर आर्म्स छुपाने के लिए साइकोड नहीं रहती हूँ. Like if it's there, it's there. Would I go like this, raise my hand and go out? Hell yeah. This is how I look. Ta-na-na-na-na. मैं ऐसे इवान को स्कूल लेने नहीं जा सकती हूँ क्योंकि मैं वॉक करके जाती हूँ and I just don't feel safe as a woman doing all this thing here in Gurgaon. घर पे मैं नंगा नाच कर सकती हूँ बट बाहर नहीं. एक और खर्चा याद आया विच इज़ गर्मी आ गई है, एसी की सर्विसेज करानी पड़ेगी. एक एसी की सर्विस, और अगर उनके गैस ख़त्म हो जाए तो उसका खर्चा अलग आने वाला है. एनीवेज, आज हम खर्चा डे कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे, बट आई वांट टू शो यू गाइस समथिंग. वेट 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 वेट. Ta-da! 600K baby. I'm waiting for Ivan, then we'll cut the cake. I shot my reel. I'm done with that. Ta-da-da. This is the pineapple cake. Obviously we are not eating this much. I am literally having like 2 bites or something because I'm on calorie deficit. But I'm gonna give it to my helpers, my guard bhaiya, and that's about it. And Ivan's gonna eat some chunk because he loves pineapple cake. That's his favorite cake. I'm loving my makeup. Guys, I have to show you this lipstick that I'm wearing because I love it so freaking much. क्या मस्त. and the mix of blush क्योंकि वो ही है, हल्का सा concealer and then these 2 things. So I've been obsessed with Orange Blossom from Cuffs and Lashes. This is what I'm wearing. This is on my lips and a little bit on my cheeks, but I don't have just that on my cheeks. On my cheeks I also have Etude Dear Darling tint, yeah, and that's in the shade Sweet Potato Red, but it's not red, it's pinkish, like a blush pink, which I am genuinely obsessed with. I don't know what to do. Ivan 1 घंटे में आएगा. That's when we'll cut the cake and have some. I am breathe. I wish I could go out with Ivan, but अभी परसों उसके स्कूल में उसका play है and tomorrow I have a very hectic day. So midweek I'm not going out given weekend and then long 10 days holiday आने वाली है and then खर्चा. So not doing that. Oh my god, I am yeah, I am overwhelmed today. Not 600K हुए 2 दिन हो गए हैं, but numbers matter to me. I want to reach 1 million. Talking about 1 million, you know, अगर हम मेरे followers पे जाएं तो I'll show you something. कहाँ है वो space जहाँ दिखाता है कि मेरे को, yeah, so 7 views हैं ये, तो मेरे को वो देखना है. Basically Instagram shows, wait, let me find it. कहाँ गया demographics में? Damn, where is it? Oh yeah, Instagram shows that 13% people that interact and watch my reels are my followers and 86% are non-followers. So major जनता मुझको follow नहीं करती है but मेरा content देखती है. This is huge. I appreciate you just coming back to watch the content, but if you follow, that makes a lot of sense. That motivates me, that helps me sleep peaceful, that makes me create more content like this. So please do that. And I always have an intention to speak from my heart. I'm not just in fact, people say that I create a lot of negative content because that's what they think, that when you talk about things, especially negative parenting things, toxic parenting things, मेजर कमेंट्स, जब मुझे नेगेटिव कमेंट्स आते हैं या हेटर्स जो मेरे हैं वो कमेंट करते हैं, तो दे से थिंग्स लाइक दैट. बट आई स्पीक फ्रॉम माई हार्ट. If it's negative, it's negative. If it's positive, it's positive. Big day for me. Big day for our house. And body is becoming fit, guys. This top is so hot. I wish I had some place to go. I think I will wear this top again and go out someplace, just like for a coffee with Ivan. I think I'm gonna do that during his holidays. But for now, मेरी chitter chatter हो गई है. Look guys, look, waistline आने लगी है. I like it. Me like it. I'll just show you guys one more time. नजर मत लगाना, okay? ये देखो guys. Ta-da! Okay, see you. I'm gonna change, and I'm not going like this to school because मैं walk करके जाती हूँ, and I think I told you that I don't feel safe. So I'm gonna change. Not gonna. Although it's like majorly covered, but just people start staring. All sorts of people start staring. Unless I was going on my car, then I would go like this. But I'm not taking my car right now. This is literally what I've changed into. क्योंकि मुझे शाम को steps करने हैं, guys. I just have to lock in 10, actually more than 10,000 steps हो जाएंगे, होने चाहिए आज, because 1.5 hour मैंने बैडमिंटन भी खेला है, which is approximately, let me ask internet, आप लोगों को मैं यहाँ बिठा सकती हूँ क्या? आप यहाँ बैठ सकते हो? मे बी नॉट. यहाँ बैठ जाओ, यहाँ बैठ जाओ. ओके ओके ओके, यहाँ बैठ जाओ. 1.5 hour badminton approx. How many steps? Mostly played in doubles. That's also important. Ooh, it's 6,000 to 9,000 steps, depends on intensity and movement style. So I'm gonna say 6,000 7,000 steps. So technically मैं 10,000 steps already कर चुकी हूँ, क्योंकि 3,000 steps मेरा 3420 दिखा रहा है इस पे. So now I just need to do my evening walk and I'll be good to go. Anyways, this is my cute Cato t-shirt that I got from Vietnam. It has different postures of a Cato. I am obsessed with this t-shirt, guys. I have to sort my winter clothes. मेरी अलमारी में सिर्फ ये t-shirts पड़ी हैं, and weather ऐसा हो गया है कि आप कम कपड़े पहनोगे तो आपको ठंड लगेगी, आप ज़्यादा कपड़े पहनोगे तो आपको गर्मी लगेगी. And I barely have any full sleeves. I need to sort my clothes, get that thing done this weekend. You see the stack of work I have? It's crazy. It is just wild, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So I need to do that, and it's gonna happen this weekend. I can't in any ways, it's gonna happen in the coming week or weekend, depending on when I get to do it. I have to take daddy for his vaccination. Breathe, Komal, breathe. Okay. I have a lot of work. मेरा वेबसाइट वाला क्या कह रहा है? ओ भाई 10 मिनट मेल चेक नहीं करो तो इतने सारे स्टूपिड मेल्स भी आ जाते हैं. ओह ओके. फ्यू थिंग्स टू फिक्स. इवान का अच्छा ये तो मैंने सही ही डाला है. I am back. We are back. Ivan, have you changed up? Can I come in with the camera or no? I can? Oh, Dadu आप ही के रूम में बैठा हुआ है. Hi, Dadu. Hello. I like this.
NBA, baby.
Okay.
And my favorite band.
Yes, yes, my love.
And thank God these are house sleeves.
Okay, we have to do it quickly because I have to go for walk. And you also have to go for play. Get knife, butter knife. Yay! Come.
अच्छा हैंड राइटिंग नहीं है.
हाँ मुझे भी नहीं अच्छा लगा था. के तो उसने अच्छे से ही नहीं लिखा था. के वॉज लुकिंग वेरी वियर्ड. मैंने ठीक कराया. दैट्स वाई यू सी दिस. ओ यू सी दैट.
Yeah.
A little. You get knife. Get butter knife from inside. From the keychain. I'm gonna set up camera
What did they
here.
do with the game?
What did they do?
With अच्छे से नहीं बनाया.
They tried to fix it, but as you can see, do you think they managed to do a good job?
Even my handwriting is better than that.
Oh damn!
And I don't have a very good handwriting.
Oh damn! Obviously, this is like a cool and huge celebration. Ew, this cake is bigger than your face.
Huh? Yeah,
Okay.
but not all.
Shall I? Yay! Do-do-do. You can clap for me. I would like that. Thank you, thank you,
I'm
thank
just
you.
hitting myself with a spoon.
Thank you. At our home, we have a big cake and we're having.
Better.
It's better, no?
It's like a birthday when somebody is turning 6,000.
Yeah. You can eat more. मैं तो अपने I'm watching what I'm eating. I'm watching the calories. Do you want me to cut you a slice
Yes.
and give you in like on a different plate?
Yeah, sure.
है ना? I think वो better रहेगा आपके खाने के लिए. Bubbles.
You see this white thing? That's mint.
Okay. Let me give you a piece from here. This is good. Then we go.
Yeah.
There you go. Bon appetit. How's it?
Wait. It's just a sponge cake with a vanilla buttercream. Nothing else.
Yeah, it's a plain cake.
It was supposed to be sponge cake with pineapple buttercream.
I think it has pineapple. You, मेरे bite में आया था. मेरे बाइट में तो आया था पाइनएप्पल. क्या पता है उन्होंने इनफ पाइनएप्पल नहीं डाला हो.
देखो कितना प्लेन है ये. Oh,
आया.
and that's the first pineapple, and it too suspect.
I will definitely send them a review. आज मेरा इतना बैक टू बैक काइंड ऑफ डे चल रहा है. कुछ घंटे मम्मी के घर चले गए. फिर हमको नीचे जाना था. हमने एकदम ही फटाफट केक काटा. which was not the intention. The whole against the light. The whole point of waiting for Ivan was not just that, I mean ये तो था ही कि उसके साथ केक काटना था, but also I thought that I'm gonna like have a cheeky conversation with him, see what kind of life lessons he has to offer. That was just something I had in my head, लेकिन वो हो नहीं पाया. और ये जो मेरा गुंडू है, ये जो मेरा प्यारा सा गुंडू है, ये मेरे सामान के थैले में घुस रहा है. गाइस आज सैलेड नहीं हो पाएगी, बट आई प्रॉमिस कि कल सैलेड होगी. आज क्यों नहीं होगी ये पूछो आप मुझसे, पूछ. घर पे कढ़ाई पनीर पड़ा है, बीन्स पड़े हैं, घिया पड़ा है, सो आई एम गोना हैव दैट. एंड लाइक आई गॉट हैव दैट so that वो पुराना नहीं हो जाए. I got some strawberries, new fresh strawberries for my smoothie tomorrow. I also got go in. I also got some mini thumbs up and mini limca. कभी कभार जिंदगी में इसकी ज़रूरत पड़ती है. Although मुझे like aerated कोको कोला एंड मुझे एरेटेड मुझे सोडा ड्रिंक्स पीने की बिल्कुल, like I don't do it often, but when I do it I need to have some in the fridge. Usually when I have it in the fridge I tend to then feel the urge to drink it, so मैं बहुत often नहीं लेके आती हूँ, but आज मैं लेके आई हूँ. Then I got some bananas. हमारे घर पे bananas daily में लगते हैं. Got some full cream milk cause Ivan wants to have shahi paneer, and so this is, I tend to order very less paneer. Oh, दूध था. Damn, we'll use it. I tend to order very less paneer and ask my खाना बनाने वाली दीदी to make fresh paneer from the दूध, क्योंकि पनीर बहुत मार्केट से मिलावट होती है and all of that. So to avoid that मैं दीदी को बोलती हूँ कि फ्रेश दूध का पनीर बनाओ. I did not realize कि दूध पड़ा हुआ था and I bought दूध, but I'm sure मेरे घर पे दूध लग जाता है. I have a growing child and I also tend to get paneer made for myself. तो ये यूज में आ ही जाएगा, है ना डैडू, है ना डैडू. मैं आज ज़्यादा स्टेप्स नहीं करके आई, मैं 5000 स्टेप्स करके आई, प्लस आई प्लेड बैडमिंटन विच इज़ लाइक 6-7,000 स्टेप्स विच इज़ 10 over 10K. Hi. Yeah, this is something my cat likes to do, especially this one. तुम्हारे नाखून तो मुझे लगते ही नहीं हैं. आज मेरी बैटरी काफ़ी डाउन हो चुकी है, सो इसलिए मैंने ज़्यादा स्टेप्स नहीं किए. अब मैं सोच रही हूँ कि कल अपनी सैलेड बना के आप लोगों के साथ कल डिनर किया जाए और फिर ये व्लॉग एंड किया जाए. एंड डैडू कम हियर. मेरे शोल्डर में भी दर्द है, मेरे एल्बो में भी दर्द है. आई डोंट थिंक सो गाइज कि मैं इस हफ्ते ये व्लॉग एडिट कर पाऊँगी. आई हैव अ लॉट ऑन माई प्लेट. I am exhausted, tired, and do I have space to edit this? If I can, I will. That's what I'm gonna say. Okay. Let me see you guys tomorrow after I'm done with my day and I'm having my dinner, because I'm gonna show you guys me salad. How will I vlog tomorrow? I have a session tomorrow. Okay, I can prep with you guys. ठीक है, we'll do it. We shall do it. Yes, we can. No, she can do this. No, she can't. Guys, I vlogged yesterday. अभी मैंने edit किया है. As you can see, नहीं है मेरे में capacity to make salad with you guys. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna make salad soon. Next time I'm gonna do what I eat in a day, guys, and I'm gonna make that salad with you guys. I went to my dentist. Half of my mouth's filling is done, half is still left. If you are a child like me, you are scared, petrified of dental care, aka dentist, aka anything to do with dental care, you need to go to my dentist. She is so damn good. I'm gonna ask her Insta or something and make a reel about this soon, because my god, how safe I feel as an anxious person going to her is beautiful. I wish मेरे डेंटिस्ट के जैसे टीचर्स होते, मेरे डेंटिस्ट के जैसे और लोग होते. शी इज़ जस्ट too good. And the beautiful part is that she used to watch my content, which she told me, and I was just blushing, which was just surreal. The first time I visited her, Ivan had tooth pain, and she was like, oh, I've seen your content, and she was a student back then. So what a small world, what a cute world. And that brings me to this whole 600k, which I'm so grateful for. Subscribe here. I'm trying to build a community here. This is like my way of connecting with you guys. मैं थोड़ी सी टेंस्ड चल रही हूँ मेरे पेमेंट गेटवे को लेकर के, और चल रही हूँ मैं टेंस्ड. I need to have, you know, while I was editing this video, hi my dad, no. While I was editing this video, I was just talking to myself that I need to have fuck all money which makes me feel comfortable to buy flowers anytime. अभी तो मैं एकदम ही सिंगल मॉम लाइफ, खर्चों से, the fact that I can afford this lifestyle is a blessing. Reframing my mind and my conscious mind, I am so blessed. But yes, I'm also tensed that my payment gateway should get sorted. I want to do workshops, get some extra money, and feel more comfortable. And yes, होगी किसी के लिए बहुत छोटी बात कि फ्लावर्स ही तो हैं, आपके लिए छोटी बात है, फक ऑफ, मेरे लिए नहीं है. सो आई वांट टू हैव दैट काइंड ऑफ मनी दैट आई कैन बाय फ्लावर्स एनी टाइम विदाउट थिंकिंग अबाउट कि मेरे पास आने वाले 4-5 दिन में इतने खर्चे हैं. लाइक द फैक्ट दैट आई हैव टू डू दिस, कि खर्चे हैं, ये खर्चा है, वो खर्चा है, ये खर्चा है, and skip buying me flowers is gonna change. This is temporary phase. It's going to change. I'm gonna vlog next, show you guys what I eat in a day for my calorie deficit that I'm doing, and in that video I promise to do my salad bit as well, and it's not even my salad bit. I've taken this recipe from Instagram. I followed this creator. I'm going to tag her in this. I'm going to tag her in the next video. It would make more sense, but I follow so many of her recipes. Now I'm going to pick my child from school. It's the next day. I've edited everything except this clip. I just wanted to sit and not randomly close my vlog because मैं काफ़ी मेहनत कर रही हूँ इसमें. So I would love and appreciate अगर आप मुझे subscribe कर दो, because अपना सपना money and of course community, of course. That is like these are the two goals: connection and money, honey. I hope you enjoyed this one. Please comment and let me know something that popped in your head when you were watching this vlog. I'll see you in my next one.